Hello. So the reason I'm recording this video is because I really want to learn how to code, and it sounds really cringy saying it, but this is effectively going to be documenting my learning coding journey, which is something that I've seen on YouTube and elsewhere on the internet that people do. They say it's a good reason to enforce your learning, to keep you accountable, all that good stuff that you've probably heard a million times. So I thought I've actually already started. I started learning this about a year ago. However, I have not been consistent at all. So hopefully this is a bit of a tool to make me a bit more consistent. The reason I'm learning how to do this is because it's been something that I've been very interested in a long time. I have been working in a job for the past 3 years, which has been like, it's not a tech job per se or working in the tech industry, but I've been working on tech-based products. Right now I'm working on a Gen AI product, but I'm like client facing, and I guess like from trying to learn more about the tech industry and the tech world, you realize, well, I've realized how isolating it is. Like, obviously coding has many different languages, but it's a completely different language, and there's such a disparity, in my experience, between in working in a professional sense in a business, where people who can talk tech and understand it and people who can't. Now, I appreciate you don't need to know how to code in order to do that, but I just find the topic very, very interesting, and I think it's such an immensely valuable skill. I'm pursuing this sort of skill I'm not setting myself a hard goal of like, I want to be a software engineer in a year or 2 years or whatever. I'm just doing something because I'm very interested in it. I'm sure it will have many benefits if I manage to, if I stick with it long enough. And yeah, I'm just using this as a bit of an outlet, and hopefully, as I share my frustrations, of which there will be many throughout this journey, there'll be plenty of people, because there's like a big community online of people who are teaching people how to code and vice versa. So hopefully there's people in the industry that, stumble across this and see me struggling and decide to give me some tips and help me out, which would be great, because I'm doing this completely self-taught. This is just an intro video, but I'm going to share like what I've done so far, what I'm working on, hopefully on a weekly basis. Again, now that this is live, will keep me accountable, and yeah, go from there. So thanks for watching.